Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be making restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making a holiday baked chicken right here, okay, in my Nuwave oven. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that momentarily. Take this off. You already know I got the extended ring. So I already washed off my chicken and stuff, so I gotta pretty much like season that up. So, okay guys, I am back. I got some adobo. I'm gonna put some of this adobo on there, probably like a tablespoon of that. I got some granulated onion. That's like a tablespoon. Let's go ahead and get the garlic because it's going to be a tablespoon. Like that. What's this right here? I'm not going to use that. I got some sage. I go with a teaspoon of that. If I can get it out. Matter of fact, I'm going to open up this big part. Teaspoon of that. Alright. This one good sage too. Alright, we got some Creole seasoning. Tablespoon. And I'm going to mix this up with my hands as soon as I get these gloves on. I'm going to put them on this rack. Okay, so all you're going to do, just mix this up, probably about 2 to 3 minutes mixing time. Then we're going to put them on this rack. Big pieces at the bottom and little pieces at the top. Put that over there. Big piece. Breast. Like that. When we come with our seasoning, see, I'm about to take this one off, this glove off, put that in the garbage. Sprinkle me some what is this, onion powder. Just like that. Some garlic. Oh, and by the way, my meat was already, I was brining it earlier, so it's going to have a little salt to it anyway. So just in case you guys wanted to know that. Alright, come with this. Creole. Alright, put some more on this one. It's a breast, so that's going to be my piece. Alright, put this top piece on here. Make sure we can fit it on there. Like so. Put this other glove on. Put the rest of the food on there. These little winglets. I do have a little gizzard and liver and all that stuff, and I eat some, so I'm gonna put mine on there. I know you guys probably like, oh, that look nasty, but I eat it. Believe that. I'm gonna just throw that on there on the side or whatever. It will get done before all the other stuff. Season this side, this part. Alright, gotta make sure I don't use the garlic like that. We're gonna bake this, guys, for about 40 minutes. I want to say 35 minutes. What is this? Oregano. I'll throw some of that on there, on 8 pieces, I guess. Yeah. See, ain't did nothing hard. All right, I think we're done. We're gonna put that on there. 350, about 35 to 40 minutes. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I am done with this chicken, this baked chicken in a Nuwave oven. If you guys like this recipe, make sure you guys tune in to Veldog's Kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe, and tell all your friends and family to come in and hit that bell for me, okay? And you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in Veldog's Kitchen. I'll see you guys in a minute.